In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out your DoorDash earnings with Fast Pay, Weekly Deposit, and Dasher Direct. First, open the Dasher app and head to the Earnings tab. This is your home base for payouts. You'll see your current balance, recent dashes, and what's available to cash out today. If you just finished a dash, give the page a second to refresh so your totals update. It helps to confirm that the funds you're expecting are showing as available rather than pending, since only available earnings can be cashed out. If you want your money right now, tap Cash Out with Fast Pay. This is the instant option inside the Earnings tab. You'll see a quick summary of what you can withdraw today. Keep in mind that Fast Pay is designed for speed, so it comes with a small fee, which I'll cover in a moment. Next, confirm the cash out amount. The app will display the exact dollar figure eligible to withdraw, and you'll be asked to confirm. Once you do, Fast Pay sends your earnings to your linked debit card, typically very quickly. Processing times can vary slightly by bank, but you should see it hit that debit card account soon after confirming. If your phone uses biometrics or a passcode, you may be asked to verify before the transfer completes. There are a few requirements to make Fast Pay work smoothly. You need a debit card linked in the app. After adding or changing that card, there's a 7-day waiting period before you can use Fast Pay again. That waiting period also applies if you change other banking details. And remember, Fast Pay is limited to 1 cash out per day. If you see an error, double check that your debit card is active and tied to a checking account, and consider whether you recently updated your info and just need to wait out the 7 days. If you don't need funds immediately, you have 2 free alternatives. Weekly direct deposit automatically pays out on a regular schedule without any fees, sending your earnings straight to your bank. Or you can use the Dasher Direct card, which gives you instant, no-fee deposits after every dash. That means your money becomes available on the card as you work without a separate cash out. Here's the fee reminder. FastPay charges $1.99 per cash out, while standard weekly direct deposit and Dasher direct deposits are free. Choose the option that fits your timing and budget. If it's urgent, FastPay is convenient. If it's not, the free methods help you keep every dollar you've earned.